Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you all. The Google Pixel 8 series launch is right around the corner, and ahead of the October event, we've got a juicy leak regarding the pricing of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro in the European market. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details. For those of you who might not be up to date, Google is gearing up to unveil its next-generation flagship smartphones on October 4, 2023. These phones are the successors to the Pixel 7 lineup and promise a host of exciting upgrades. But what's got everyone buzzing right now is the leaked pricing, and we've got the scoop from D-Labs magazine. According to this leak, the Pixel 8 Pro will be available in 3 different storage configurations: 128 GB, 256 GB, and a whopping 512 GB model. On the other hand, the standard Pixel 8 will come in 128 GB and 256 GB configurations. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model of the Pixel 8, the 128 GB version, is expected to start at €799, while the 256 GB variant will set you back €859. For those of you eyeing the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll need to shell out €1,099 for the 128 GB model. If you're after more storage, the 256 GB and the top-end 512 GB versions will cost you €1,159 and €1,299, respectively. But it's not just about storage and price tags. We've also got some exciting news about the color options. Rumor has it that the Pixel 8 series will come in a variety of vibrant choices. The flagship Pro model will be available in beige, obsidian, porcelain, and mint options, offering a stylish selection for users. Meanwhile, the standard Pixel 8 will make its appearance in a pinkish rose variant, alongside a rumored black and green version. Now, before you get too excited, remember that this is still just a leak, and as with any unconfirmed report, it's a good idea to take it with a pinch of salt. However, if these prices turn out to be accurate, Google is continuing its tradition of offering competitive pricing for its premium smartphones. So, mark your calendars for October 4, 2023, when all will be revealed. We'll be sure to keep you updated with the latest news and details as they come in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates.